Assalamualaikum class. I hope that you and your family are healthy in these trying times. I know that it's hard to understand what's going on, but I hope that your dad and mom have explained to you what's going on and that you're safe and your family is safe. With that, let's get on with what we're going to be talking about today. Today we're going to be talking about colors and extinct animals. But first let's talk about colors and the vocabulary that comes with that. Okay? Because we've talked about the regular colors. So I'm going to write down what they call primary. Now that word primary people use for kids, primary school, or a primary teacher. That's for little kids. So let's consider the colors that I'm talking about, the primary colors. Primary colors are the kid colors that everyone knows. Everyone from 1st to 6th to college, everyone knows. So you guys know this. You guys know blue, red. So here's the primary. Blue, red, yellow. So blue, red, yellow are the colors of everything. These are the primary colors. These are not mixed. They are the original colors. You would think you put white or purple or something, but those are mixes. These are primary colors that you just create them, and then everything else is around those colors, like a circle. So these are the primary colors, and you guys know how to spell these and what they're all about. But today we're going to do the secondary colors. So the secondary colors are I want to put secondary colors. So the secondary colors are like green. But we know green. You know green, right? Green is actually two colors in one. Okay? So it's a mix, what we call mixed colors. Secondary, you can put as mixed. These are the colors that are not the original colors. Okay? So it's simple. So green, you would think is, which two colors do you think they are? Red and yellow? Blue and red? What colors do you think they are? I'm going to tell you what colors they are. They are a mix between blue and red. Blue and red make green. That is a secondary color, a mix. So when we get from primary to secondary, which would be SMP, if we put it like that, SD, then SMP. This would be the secondary. This is more advanced colors for you. Orange, why is it orange we're used to? Orange is also a secondary color. You have to mix that. Maybe in art you knew this. Maybe in art you learned about this. But it is actually red and yellow. You have to mix it. If you have paint, you would know how to do that. You mix it all about. Red and yellow, and then you color it and make orange, right? You probably learned that already. Purple. Again, we think purple is the primary color. It's not. Primary color. That is a mix. That's also a mix of red and blue. Or blue and red. Sorry, I should probably adjust this for you because this is a little different. That's weird. Green and purple are both blue and red. But I should change this, right? This doesn't make sense. This would make both them the same color, right? No, there is more. So I'm going to circle the one that has more color. Green has more red, red than blue. And purple has more blue, then red. These are some of the secondary colors. I'm going to mention some that are really hard to spell, and we're going to be able to know this. So I'm going to skip to the ones that are called so we know these colors, right? I'm sure you know these colors. Now we get into the harder. This is like high school. If you compare it, este, and we're going to get into harder colors. You've probably seen this color. Sapiato's color is next. This one is in the category, in the part of terra. This is a hard one. Terry. You don't normally use this in speech, but terry colors. These ones are even more rare to find. And they're like a mixed, they're also mixed. So they take the secondary and the primary color and mix them. This one takes blue and green. So that's basically 3 colors in one. Think of 3 colors in one. Green is 2 colors, right? And that equals, what color do you think it is? The color is called teal. Teal. That's the color of Sapiato. That is the color that blue and green make. So there's 3 colors right there, right? 1. In math, that wouldn't make sense. 3, 2 plus 1 equals 1. But in colors, it makes 1. 2 plus 1 equals 1. Okay, next. The next one is lime. You know lime, the color of lime? That color we have here. Yellow plus green. Another 1 plus 2 equals 1. Lime color. Okay, so that lime color is made from that. I wish I could show you what that was, but I don't have the resource. But just know these words. Okay? The question you should be like, how do you make tea? Okay? This is the question you should understand. How do you make teal, or how do you make blank color? How do you make teal? Or how do you make lime? And the answer should be, take you, make teal, by mixing. There's also another word you can use, combining. Combining. Combining what? Combining. Wait, do I use yellow and green? No. I use blue and green. Combining blue and green. Or mixing blue and green. Okay? That's how you make it. So, if I ask you, how do you make teal? You make teal by mixing or combining blue and green. Okay. And another color that we're going to put that not many people know, and you know this color, is so we should probably keep this up on the board, yeah? You make tea. You should probably, we're gonna make this a blank so you can put in different colors. How do you make blank? By mixing or combining Okay, these are the ones that you want. I want to go change this marker. Okay, so let's change this. All right. Blank and blank. Okay, so the next one is brown. That's weird. Brown, we know all about brown. But it is a territory color. So how do you make brown? How do you make brown? You make brown by mixing or combining red and green. Green. That's how you make it. Equals brown. Okay, so those are simple. And then the other ones are just other colors that we have in English. I have not learned how to combine them, but I'm sure you can find out how to do that. There is navy, navy blue. It's a darker blue. Just make the blue darker. Magenta. Make the pink or the purple lighter. Lighter purple. It's a lighter purple or pink. Magenta. Navy. Pink. Turquoise. This is kind of like green and this is kind of like green and blue, but lighter. Turquoise is like a lighter green or a lighter blue. So lighter. It's a lighter color. Yeah, and gold. Gold, silver. Erase part of what I need. I need some room. Silver. That's just a metal, usually. Gold, also a metal. Black. Black is all colors mixed. Almost all colors mixed. Or the absence of colors, I think. And white. Good. So those are some of those colors. I just want to introduce those two today. And then thank you very much. I'm going to talk to you about the next part of it.